What's up, what's good? This is Clifton Newbury, and today I have a short video here for the Zoom F6. The Zoom F6 is a field recorder, but it can also be used as an interface on your computer if you want to record vocals. But what I'm currently going to be mostly using this for is for YouTube videos, for the quality that it can produce, and also for any field recordings. But this is a really good product. Currently, all audio that you're hearing is coming from a cheap lavalier mic. I think it's the Bauer lavalier mic that I bought at the store. Pretty cheap, I think under $15. And I'm using the Zoom F6 and I have it connected. As you can see right here, I have an extra connection with the lavalier mic here. And it's connected through the Rode VXLR Plus into the XLR port, which allows me to use my lavalier mic while it's still having phantom power turned on, and it gives me what I can notice really good sound quality even through a lavalier mic, and a cheap one at that. But just to give a little bit of information, I have it connected here, which we have 3 XLR ports with another 3 on this side. And you can see that there's the headphone jack, time code, which you can use. You can power it through a USB-C connection, and also a line out here. There's also the ability to put power from back here through a battery, and at the bottom there's also ability to use AA batteries. But all audio quality that you're hearing, as I said, is coming through the Zoom F6 using a lavalier mic, and I'll have more information, more videos, and more tests as we go. Y'all have a good one, and later.